Nye target rapo zanje ziri ya market abarase nkore za next Prex ever smart finest and baddest nemitinje na budget ankore nyo wende kakore abagezi mukoreze tsare nito mporogoma nimwe ntare blood sparks ankore nyo wende kakore abagezi mukoreze tsare nito mporogoma nimwe ntare Ankore Media.
One day I was around town somewhere. Narebo poster your concert. That was when?
That was last year but one. By the way, akari asante ba twiza twajia utwateka Reno Tavern. Yeah, so that was my first time to have an idea to come to Mbarara. So kare ejejo show na eka a form of promotion. Can impamia next time when we are going to do a concert, it will be a staunch one.
So how was it?
The show was good. My friends came through. No, orona kwakaro shows ezindi. I want to appreciate everyone who came through.
Alright, it's NKORE Media TV. This I'm a sober sparks in one savage on it. Yes, with Kandel is over. Tonight on the show, I've been joined by one Uzi Malcon. Sebo Uzi Malcon to akwachi NKORE Media.
Ninye na achera. Abare mwena wa NKORE Media na abasalutinga. Mwe bare kutuninga amazina mbanyeta Uzi Malcon. Ndo rapper wa Western Uganda, Ankole region.
Alright, so kwa muhora ni rapper wa Western region of course. No rapping ngo muri Nyankole I think.
Yeah man, Nayeshongora Nyankole oruzungu na norchiga. Yeah, mkari mwen local language our mother tongue.
So omushiza nuwogu Uzi Malcon yes umeibo twanohura ningo turanore bene hoya but today twamureta hano ya NKORE Media kugira ngo today we are going to be talking about yourself. Zakwantu gamba ari wasitiri no jubu turagamba. So by the way, no, where do you hail from?
Ni Bushenyi. Nyenda kwebaza abantu ba Bushenyi mwe n'abatuninjire na baganda banje anish government mwe bari kunda Uzi Malcon music konga so far ni mbesi ngo muri Mbarara. Yeah man.
So hati otuyiro muri Ishaka?
Ishaka kandi yo kurga kare na family nheri kare mama wanja kunzara banywani banja binji so roots ziri Ishaka konkati ni Nayeshongora muri Mbarara.
Of course kakana katajendo katamanya kubwezire so nawayizire kubyara kama zesike kunze kureba bakuturo kubo kujamata uza the same line nabo bitskando umuntu nabasa kwebuza Uzi Malcon ngo mazina gawo nyine amazina gawo nyine ngahi ningago naga kushashana rent.
Uzi Malcon stage name amazina ganje gonyine ni Ainomugisha Conrad agenza arwa birth name. So Uzi Malcon eriyo ni stage name ni izina rya business izina ryo bweshongozi.
I understand. So Uzi Malcon ikintu wakisabwire kwingana ki?
Ikintu so far ndiyo mwaka gwa katano ndumuninzo mugwa mukaga katandika 2018. Yeah man.
So Uzi Malcon wagira ngo you do hip hop?
Ni nkora hip hop, rap, trap, love songs zama piano, dance hall, freestyling. Yes sir.
No, right now no wasako rapping about just we NKORE Media Sparks just something like that. Can you do some freestyle because the manya guys like Fefe Boost do such?
Yeah, tuzajukora as the show goes on. Yeah.
So munyusi mushago ataka ija kanda akaga kansiga ataka NKORE ile freestyle, you never know, you might get a song out of the blue. So Uzi Malcon industry bwiro wagisemo ino byeshongora kwingana ki?
So far nyine byeshongora 25.
25?
Yeah man. Ngatanduko kweshongore 2018. So nyine album ishatu. Yeah, so videos ziroho even na YouTube wa checking our music eroho collaboration ziroho. So nashemerwa kubandiana na Blood Sparks NKORE Media DM Swaga mwe bari mnonga na muganda witari yenyuma ya kamera mwe bari mnonga muri abamani.
So let's talk about by the way there's one song I had for you of yours cha Kakore.
Yeah, Kakore Johnny Trap, the Johnny Trap song.
So abantu no basaka banajara because ni tekatekano sha it's one of the songs akuba kumanya munonga Kakore
ni ntonto ma style nkuru kutabande ba mayiro nimbatimpura naro ninuzuru Nyankole ninduchapo mbutongore nimbagunda nke nyongore omwigobe ninye nsongore ninye mugabe wankore nimbasinga kazano muhaso nigamezere namaso ndio mumisho tinchezana chesho omurapu ninsinga yo mugasho omurutaro ninye tageti rapu zanje ziriya market abarase nkore za NKORE Prex ever smart finest and baddest nemitinjina budget Ankole nyowendi kakore abagezi mukoreze tusare nitomporogoma nimwe ntare blood sparks Ankole nyowendi kakore abagezi mukoreze tusare nitomporogoma nimwe ntare NKORE Media.
Rise, ladies and gentlemen. Where the inspiration from? Ninga torati niremu kuja tukakasha tunyino kuflowing nkabandi wabwenchi wa flowing differently.
Nyo nkani believe in jero mother tanga abo kubandu rumo runkwetegereza kandi niyo language ina kubasa gamba na munywano wanje unazirwe nawe akanchenga na nende mezindi timbi konke kintu cyo kuba no manya nkinkisinga kintu cyo takumanya yamasi cyo kuba takumanya no gumano yega mpora mpora konke cyo kumanya that comes first. So Nyankole ndwe banzarire mu mama no Nyankole banywano banje 80% n'abanyankole girlfriend wanje no Nyankole even blood sparks no Nyankole. So tugambora Nyankole ni balanced. Okay. Yes.
Then let's talk about you doing music from Obeno music ya muri Ishaka. Like what was it back then? Wo muri Ishaka na hatu byo muri Mbarara. What's the contrast between the two?
So Mbarara timbi abo kuba ni almost niyo center ya music ya Western region. Kandi opportunities zirumuni nyingi na nishaka opportunities ziri yabo kuba niyo yankuruze na Mbarara kunyumwero kaminga nabo kujangu nkani mfayo mnonga nkandi focused from the beginning. So nyoni ndeba ngu Ishaka tabi kunkambara nayo timbi. So nicherdira connections. So nyoni ndeba it's a 50-50 thing. Kunkambara it's a city. Yeah.
So industry ya wirabwa mujimaramu nebizubuce byoreberemu as an artist now at you are no longer an upcoming artist, you are an established artist now. So how has the journey been?
The journey has been good and fair. Echamani ninjano kujango muntu wor blessed no meeting the right people. Yeah, so echamani no kwichereza mu ruhanga okukunda abanywani bawe na no kufaya kintu cyo gukora na no kujango cyo wahandika ku producing aninga something which you freestyle to give to the audience. It matters a lot.
So wagabo cha kwichereza mu ruhanga. Are you a religious person? How often do you go to church?
Yeah, I believe in God. Yeah, I'm a Rasta. I believe in God. Ja ninchereza mu reality. Yeah, realness is God.
When it comes to church?
Yeah, to church. My mother is a born again. I have Catholic friends. I have Muslim friends. Kare nyoti nkusosora. Omuntu yana achenga are positive. Kare ya ebyakora yana yar focused. We can do something.
So one day I was around town somewhere. Na rebo poster your concert. That was when?
That was last year but one. By the way, akari asante ba tuiza twajia ateka Reno Tavern. Yeah, so that was my first time to have an idea to come to Mbarara. So kare ejejo show na eka a form of promotion. Can impamia next time when we are going to do a concert, it will be a staunch one.
How was it?
The show was good. My friends came through. No, orona kwakaro shows ezindi. I want to appreciate everyone who came through to support Uzi Malcon music. Yeah, man. The likes of Anish Government, Pollens, Shafiki, Z Fashions, Ripa, Martenure, Sound Africa Records. Tukato revenge.
So talking about Martenure is one of the guys I have seen wakija bakaruka kandi wajya umunywano wawe. So tukatwagambira nawo ni enyuma yagira ngo utakwemanya ngo akaruga scene. What do you have to talk about that? Like Martenure ni umenye obwiro bwa 2018 uri kuza kwizo mu game. That was when he was at his peak. Obwire bwa tibyemzano, obwire bwa yija back then. So how do you feel kugira ngo today maternity is less attended to?
Ninja ncherejero umuntu kwa kuba focused maternity kugira ngo bade wanje munonga kureka he's a friend ngo kuna kugira ngo umuntu yana acenga ntukwatagana. Yeah man, musically we are friends. Yanye tashoye ninza Nayeshongora nanye na organizing nkamweta na izana na mberera unka muganda wanje kunka umuntu all focused nuko music yawe kwe kuba netambura twine Ray G, twine T Paul, twine Omega, twine Truth, twine Momo artists. So nyoni ncherejero kuba bar focused oko kuba focused abantu nuko bakwero kaminga na behavior. Yeah man.
So talking about wagamba Ray G nizuka. Ray G is one of the Ishaka bones.
Yeah.
Bakachitero muri Mbarara.
Yeah.
Do you ever want to maybe one time kujangu ogendero munanko mu past say?
So far tinyine shonga nawe abo kuba twena Nayeshongora Nyankole kandi his wabi abirarho before me, so I even learn from him. Company he also learns from me because I'm trying to support our local international media. Yeah, so chaman na weiza kafuna platform ne chaman abo kuba there are people out there.
So what if he suggested for a collab between you two? Are you open to that? Yeah,
we can work. Abo kuba nanye nyendori Nyankole rutambure. Yeah, so we can even nanakora bozeza kora right now they are selling. It's good. Koraboz inezinga umsaka inekora BM of recent. So far think manya mnonge byo mu camp yabo, but they are my friends n'abavugana nimba bongaho tuganira twatagana. So think manya mnonge bikufa maybe wa checking YouTube channel yabo. So the other day akafunaho buzubunaza we. Did you hear anything about that? Yeah, I even watched the video. So according to you, what do you make of that whole scenario? Echaman nkokuna nagambire artists echaman twine kufuna positive vibration, how to handle situations, because abantu abo kwamba following there are many people. Most people want to learn from we, they want to get inspired, so every step you take it should be inspirational. Etari yo kujangwe jesaba artists kuyomba kugera beef kurwana, it should be mature. Yeah man. So according to you, how would you handle such a situation? How jire ngo Korea stage, you are supposed to be on stage, then as a wija ya kufollow kinga, what would be your reaction? I would let her sing, then I come next, cause no way to. Yeah man. So you would look at yourself as a host, cause ori akashaba. Yeah, kwara atarashabire timanya. But you know we akobatashabire, can you kugira ngo yayarigire hono basa kumuyombesa anything like stuff like that? Umanya bro okurwana, it's not a solution. Ya konko kwicherezana, it's a good one, cause next time nabasa kuinvitinga ushange wa mbandizaho ninga yakubandizaho konka mwa muyombere ejoneri conflict konka. I'm so happy kujangu gundezo zikahwao, there is no conflict even nananye situation zezo zirambiro konka. I let something be nyo ina birend na gravity kandi omukyaro henyina ibakunzara konka tikiranzibire kubanzaho gravity akiza next. Ubano nchenga gravity akakufurokinga ningo kazaho in his position. No, as in it was a mind game kare kakuriyo kuchenga. Yeah man, to be mature or mature buri kimwe nkinchekora konka na gravity kuyizira ari kuja. Yeah, gravity kuyizira ari kuja ati ndia speed ndumuninza Kampala nkani nkumureka Nayeshongora nyonyiza next according to the time and the connection. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Uzi Malcon's opinion on the Origi Azawi saga. Kako kwambara n'umuntu arambo muno ngati kumanya. Do you have a girlfriend ugenga tukufunira one of those? I have a friend Dareni. Yeah man. Gat kandu guy watu nagakana. Do you have a girlfriend that wajata friend that hino kubasa kubaru kuri sanga no sakusanga ya ine muka interest? No muchikandi, of course she's a friend. Kari naanda simplifying for someone out there who wants to get inspired also. Yeah. So ataka jo taking ine move. Icho tichona agamba, of course okusharamu ruhanga no wakusharamu na nanye ninyine idea na nawaine idea Yeah, so that's my prayer.
So Darren, wherever you are, nature man. I think this is the first person who agambira amazima on set. Abantu bona bunkubuza they just shy away.
Oh, yeah, mazima ngo kusingayo real, to be real. That's the greatest thing you can ever do.
Okay. So let's talk about you minus you give me your top 3 Western Ugandan artists.
My top 3
male, then 3 female.
Nanabagambire bona every artist is good. Echaman nokutwa connecting every taro mweshongozi mbi konka behavior, discipline, connections abokwa bro nakubugana nkakora bya mamisho to rampage platform ninga toranyete tukagamba konka nakubugana nkakuru respectinga ukan respectinga we can create something. So taro mweshongozi mbi chaman nokuwaye twaza waka wawo kuwa amhakire abantu abo wakoragana nabo. Yeah man, konka so far of course twine Rasta Chaz, twine Ray G, twine Sister Charity, twine T Paulo, twine Truth, twine a lot of artists, twine Kabare region, twine abeshongozi z'urukunjiri almost everywhere, Chihi, Ishaka, even in Mbarara. Yeah, the industry is growing. Kasese echamani no kwechereza but we can do even concerts na ebshy to views.
Okay, so now arho there is a trending hashtag social media ningashi arho muramugurira social media ogwa raising today ningashi yesterday around these last 2 days about some people are claiming Alpha Music no manya Bruno ninga waramuriro then Bruno na Ray G. So abatagara bagira ngo Bruno is the king of Western Ugandan music because he has made more stars than Ray G himself. Abana bagira ngo Ray G because he's the best artist, is the king of Western Ugandan music. So what is your opinion? What is your take on that? Babiri no teka ngwengure neyo because Alpha Music akakora Ray G, Alpha Music akakora Martin, Alpha Music akakora T Paul, yakora Best Emil, JKs and stuff like that. The list goes on and on. Abana bagira ngo Ray G because he has that influence is the king. So who would you crown?
Both they are good because tenda kubiye nanye
kingo izuka mu kingdom ino kuza mu kingo omukitaga echo nibete.
Yeah man, konkana nanye to me as a Rastafarian harabe shongo zabunku yamba harabunku abunkwa advice. Yeah, so nyoni ndebe chamani it's how they are living. Abukubana na Alpha na waru kuza kukora Ray G na Ray G ni makai akai nejo passion. Yeah, so kana na Alpha kuza na Ray G kuza kuba waman na wakana itaga Alpha, so every Alpha is good. Abukubana no producer production is good. Ray G Nayeshongora tumubi, so buri omwe ina hakwetaga mtayi we na nejesha Ray G na vasa kwetaga Alpha kumuya knowledge about what's taking place. Kana we hina Ray G kuza Alpha atakuhika, so they need each other to be to make a kingship.
So ngure yona baje babiri bajibagana.
Yeah, buri omwe mu kitebekeye no wamani.
That's Uzi Malcon for you. Those are his opinions. So neutral, of course. Then your last words to your people.
My last words nyenda kusima buri omwe akutuninga Ankole Media ari kukwata show ya Blood Sparks muri abamani producer sebo mbakweta Savage we bari mnongo muri mogokora amazina and Uzi Malcon muza YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok musacinge Uzi Malcon Music. Abo kwenda enamba zanje zesumuzuru ha internet ntubasa kwatagana munyeta mikoro abine functions nimbasa kubeshongora ahandi urukunde gumeho twongere kwatanisa twaguma twakora shows mwize mutwagire amazina no Uzi Malcon. Nyenda kwebaza anish government buri omo wena mukama bampere migisha ba mama bitu na batata bitu na nabebembezi bihanga na DM swaga we bare mnonge cyo gukora ne cyamani.
So my name is Pax, of course. Now you are NKORE Media. Subscribe, like, share, follow whatever you're doing to support NKORE Media. We never take that for granted. Nabantambu na Savage Kamila, see when he sees.